Okay, grade 6. Today we are going to learn how to express a solution as an algebraic expression. Okay, so what do you mean by that? So for example, we have Dion bought 3 apples. He also bought 4 oranges. Question will be, how many fruits did he buy all in all? So most likely you would just tell me, Teacher Mark, it's so easy. All you have to do is just to add the apples, the number of apples, and the number of oranges that Dion bought. Correct. Well, technically that's the solution to it. Okay? So writing the solution, we have 3 apples plus 4 oranges. And if you're going to add everything, you now have 7 fruits. But that is not the case here. We are not going to give You are not going to give me the answer. But what if we are going to change the given to a different value? For example, Dion bought X apples. He also bought Y oranges. How many fruits did he buy all in all? Okay, so you might now be thinking, oh no, I do not know. I am dead. Well, of course not. Because if you're going to replace it again, just to show you, 3 apples, 4 oranges, 3 apples, and 4 oranges. So doing the solution to this problem, all you have to do is just to add 3 plus 4. Okay, please take note of this as we call this as our solution. Correct? Okay. So replacing the values again, what if I now change this to like what I've written earlier? This will now be x. This will now be x and this will now be y. Okay, to take note earlier, this 3 refers to what? Our apples, the number of apples. And this 4 refers to what? The number of oranges. But now as you can see that the value of apples is equivalent to x and the value of oranges is equivalent to y. So we can say how many apples do we have now? X. How many oranges do we have now? Y. And what operation did you do earlier? So technically, you are applying the same operation here, which is addition, which now leaves us to x plus y. And this is now the algebraic expression of the solution to our problem. Okay? So instead of saying that the answer is 3 plus 4, which is 7, the algebraic expression of the solution to this problem is x plus y. Okay, still confused, right? Let's try another example. Okay, let's say Enzo bought 30 slices of pizza. He ate 4 slices. Question will be, how many slices of pizza how many slices of pizza is left? Okay, of course, you're already grade 6 and you will just normally tell me, Teacher Mark, that's 30 slices of pizza. He ate 4, so that's 30 minus 4, which is equivalent to 26. Okay, I hope you said that, else nakakaya naman sa akin. So anyway, 30 minus 4 is the solution to this problem. 30 minus 4, which is now equivalent to 26, and you can say that there are 26 slices of pizza left. Then again, what if I'm going to change the values? What if what if this is now equivalent to 4x slices of pizza and he ate z slices? Okay, then again, what we're looking for here is the solution. Okay, the solution, which is this, not the actual answer. Okay, just to make it clear. So if we are going to convert what we did earlier, the original number of slices was actually 30, which is now equivalent to 4x. So that's basically removing that certain amount of slices from the original number of pieces. Number of slices rather. So which is minus the value of z. This now is the algebraic expression of our solution. Okay? Not 30 minus 4. This no longer exists as this is from the situation earlier. But now, we have Enzo bought 4x slices of pizza. He ate z slices. How many slices of pizza is left? And we have 4x minus z. Okay? Another one. Okay, for example, Lexi is 20 years old this year. How old will she be next year? Okay, so in this case, it's also very easy. It's also technically given. Lexi is 20 years old this year. How old will she be next year? Then that's obviously 21. What is the solution here? The solution here is that we have 20 years for this year, and next year is only 1 year, so that's only one additional year. So that makes it 20 plus 1, which is equivalent to 21. But then again, we don't want this answer. We don't need this. We just need the solution, which is 20 plus 1. Okay? I will leave this as a reference again as I am going to replace the value here. Okay, example, if I'm going to replace the 20 years earlier to a 3B years. Lexi is 3B years old this year. How old will she be next year? So basically replacing the value earlier, we now have 3B years. Doing the same logic, she is 3B years right now. this year. And next year, which is an additional 1 year, is equivalent to plus 1. So which means in this case, since our value for her age for for this year is 3b years old, then that is equivalent to 3b plus 1. Okay, one more example. Let's say Michael has 100 pesos. He gave half of it to Sasha. How much money does he have left? Okay, this is a basic logic. Michael has 100 pesos. He gave half of it. What do you mean by half? When we say half, you're going to divide it by say it louder. Okay, 2. Even though you didn't say anything. Okay, 2. Michael has 100 pesos. He gave half of it to Sasha. How much money does he have left? So technically, all you have to do now is to write the solution. That's 100 divided by 2. Then again, giving us the answer of 50. But we do not need the answer because we only need the solution. So let's try to remove that again. This is the only thing that we need. Let me erase this so that you'll not get used to it. But you can use that as your point of reference on how to change it. Okay. Michael has 100 pesos. Let's change the value of 100 to 5 y pesos. Michael has 5y pesos. He gave half of it to Sasha. How much money does he have left? Again, you know that Michael's money is 5y pesos and he gave half of it to Sasha. Giving half of it, we are going to divide it by 2. What are you going to divide by 2? The money of Michael. How much is Michael's money? Michael's money is 5y. And we only divided by 2. And that is it. That basically is it. Okay, let me give you one more. But this time, I'm not going, or basically I'm going to give you directly with a variable. Okay? So for example, we have Mark has X candies. He ate one candy and gave Michael 5 candies. Question: how many candies does he have left? Okay. So Mark has X candies. He ate one candy and gave Michael 5 candies. How many candies does he have left? Originally, how many candies does Mark have? He has X candies. He ate one. So basically that means what? You're going to eat 1, that is, are you going to add or to subtract from the number of candies that you have? So obviously, since you're going to eat it, you're going to subtract 1 from it. Okay. Then he gave Michael 5 candies, giving away that certain amount of candies from the number of candies that you have means that you are going to subtract as well. So that is also minus 5. So your final answer here is x minus 1 minus 5, or in total, you subtracted a total of how many candies? That's x minus 6 candies. This is now our final answer. Okay? So I would like you to try to answer pages 3 to 4. Then I will assist you with those numbers. I know that this is a hard activity, but please do try your best, and I will try to make you understand on how to get the final answer. Okay? So good luck and enjoy answering the uh, pages number 3 to 4. Okay. Bye.